Hey everyone, welcome back to the campground. And today we're checking out this propane tabletop heater by Hiland. This is like the miniature version of those large patio heaters that you'll see at restaurants or some people have in their backyards. And this thing is really cool. So let's start with just the facts. It's an 11,000 BTU propane heater and it stands about 38 inches tall. So it works perfectly on a tabletop. It's fairly light, probably somewhere between 20 to 30 pounds with the tank in there. And it's very portable. So if you need to take it somewhere else, it's not a huge 6-foot propane heater that you're trying to move around. What's nice about this is this little one works off 1 pound propane tanks. These propane tanks will usually last you 2 to 3 hours using this. That's obviously dependent on how much you're pushing through this. If you have this on a low setting, it's going to last more to 3 hours. If you have it on the high setting, it's going to last more to 2 hours. But these Hiland heaters have a little secret for you. See this hole right here? It's open all the way up into the cylinder. And then there's a little gap down here for a gas line to run from the cylinder out. So what does that mean? It means you could connect this guy to a 20 pound, 30 pound, 40 pound propane tank if you wanted to. So that 2 to 3 hours just got much longer if need be. It's pretty simple to work once you have the gas hooked up to it. You turn the knob to pilot and then you click on the red button here until you see the pilot light light up here. Once that happens, you go ahead and turn it a little bit more to low or to high and it'll go ahead and light the propane heater for you. And a word of warning for you, or actually it's 3 words of warning along the shield, is hot, hot, hot. And they mean it. This thing gets hot. But what you really want to know is would I recommend it or would I buy it again? Oh yeah, we would. The fact that this thing is portable, that you can use it with 1, 20, 30, 40 pound propane tanks, that it comes in about 6 different designs from Hiland, and the fact that it just warms up the area no problem. Those are all great reasons to love this patio heater. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.